Hello everyone, welcome today in the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page of Saturday, May the 13th 2023. We have here two Sudokus. It's indicated with 3 stars. Well, actually it's a 1-star puzzle. Yeah, it has 27 printed digits, same with this one. Then we have a Killer Sudoku, two binaries, 10 by 10, and the tectonic. Yeah, 6 extra puzzles in this newspaper. We have no extra puzzles for the Sunday. Yeah, I've showed you earlier in the morning. But let me show you again. So what I will do is I will solve in the puzzle page 4 puzzles. The two puzzles are left then for tomorrow, and I will do tomorrow also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. All right, so then we have all the puzzles solved. But let me start with this one. Yeah. This one will be number 6428. Yeah, 6428. Before I start, I've told you I've already counted 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in additional, it will be a 1-star. For 1-star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. All right. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. We have a 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then. The 9. We have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in this box. These 2 boxes can be a 5 because we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there in this column. Here, or there. We see another 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in the row below, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in this column, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be there. All right. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing number in the third column is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. Is the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the row below, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 Should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. All right. We have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right. Then the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. 1. 1. Okay, can't continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6, 1 box left for the 6 in this column should be there. All right, 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then yeah. Let me think. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. Here, 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Then we have 8, and we have 8. How about 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this row. So no 7, 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there, so 1 digit left. In this big square for number 5, alright. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. Then let me think. Well, we have a 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 5. 8. Okay. So we have 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 8. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. And here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, or there in this row. Here, or there. And look, we have another 8 in this column, so no 8 there. And there an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright. 6, 6. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6. How about 8, 8? Okay. 8, 8. 3 and the 7. 1 and the 3. Come on. How about 1, 1, 1, 1. We have a 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay, 9, 9. Well. 3, 7 and 2, 3, 7, 2, 2. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. Here also 3 and the 7 need to wait, and here also 3 and the 7 are left. 3, 8, 3, 8, and 7. 3, 7, and 9. Need a 9 here. Come on. Let me think. Need an 8 here. I need an 8 there. Put the 6. These 2 and the 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Okay, 7, 8, and 2. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Oh, should be there. All right. Then 2, 2. All right. 3, 7, and 9. 3, 7, and 9, 9. 3, 7, and 9. Come on. 3, 7. Need a 9. Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next and last column. The only place left with 3 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And we have a pair. 3 and a 6 in the last row. 3 and a 6 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there, and 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Finished in 70 minutes. Well. Talk too much in the beginning. Not faster. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. Alright. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.